What's going on YouTube? Because in this video I'm going to show you how you can earn some free PayPal money. That's right. So you see the PayPal balance, and right here it's over $300. Now this website that I'm going to share with you, you can get started and start making money right out the gate. So if you keep watching this video all the way to the end, I'm going to explain to you how it's going to work, where you need to sign up, and all that good stuff. But if this is your first time to my YouTube channel, I want to say welcome. Make sure you like, subscribe, become a part of the family. Turn on that bell notification, because every time I create a brand new video, guess what? You're going to be the first one to know. You're going to be the first one to be notified. So as I said to you earlier, earn free PayPal money right now, and this is what we're going to be doing. Now, the first place that we're going to be going over is a website that is called Yazing.com. So this is a brand new website that I wouldn't say it's brand new, but a lot of people have been getting very good results from this website, including myself. So what do they do? You get paid every time someone purchases or buys something online. So if you're an influencer or you have no following, I'm going to show you how you can get traffic and how you can start having people buying stuff from you. So if you scroll down here, and you can see how you can start making money with Yazing. Now, how they're going to pay you is people get paid to shop, right? So every time somebody shops on Yazing, you're going to get paid. So all you got to do is just get paid to promote. That's right. So you're going to get cash rewards, you can get coupons and all those stuff. And you can get paid very quickly and very fast. So if you got a PayPal account, make sure you have a PayPal account that does work, because if you don't set it up correctly, you're not going to get paid what you're worth. So here are some of the top brands that back or stand behind Yazing, right? So Yazing, there's Walmart, there's Home Depot, there's Verizon, Expedia, Hotels.com, there's Dell, there's coupons, there's QuickBooks, there's Blue Apron, there's Wine, there's BarkBox. If you know what BarkBox is, BarkBox is a company that deals with everything about dogs. So if you like brands like that, BarkBox is a good brand. Plus, they just recently went public. So if you know anything about the stock market, they recently went public, and people can buy stocks and shares in BarkBox. So great company to start with. Now, what you're going to be doing, right? You're going to be heading over to the particular website over here, and you're going to scroll all the way up to the top right here where it says join now. So once you click on where it says join now, all you got to do is come up with a username. So create a username, put your email address here, a valid email, put a password, and then create a password. Then you're going to click on this tab right here where it says register now. After you do that, it's going to take you right to the area where you can get all your products and start promoting. Now you can join with Facebook if you want to do that. Now what I'm going to do, I'm going to log in real quick. So let me just log in so you guys can see how I do this, right? So as you can see right here, you can start earning cash backs from different wineries and all that kind of stuff. Now, when you scroll down here, all you see is all these different brands. So there's Coinbase. Everybody knows what crypto is. So you can either shop to earn, or you can promote and earn. Well, we're not going to shop. All we're going to be doing is promoting. So if you want to click on here, perfect example, you want to grab your unique affiliate link, and then when you copy it, all you got to do is just share it on your different social media. Now, I'm going to show you how you can get more traffic and without spamming or bothering people all over the internet. So keep watching this video. So what we're going to be doing, right? We're going to be finding different brands that we want to promote. So if you look on here, you'll see so many different things. There's animals, there's pets, there's arts, there's auction, there's stuff for babies, there's charities, there's clothes. So if you want to go into any one of these related departments, feel free to do that as well. Now, what we're going to be doing is we're going to be creating a forum. So we're going to create a forum where there's going to be a ton of people that will buy exactly what it is that you're going to sell. So we're going to head on over to Quora, right? So Quora is a very, very good website. So we go to Quora.com, and you can sign in. You can sign in with your Facebook, or you can sign in with your Google. So for this example, what I'm going to be doing, I'm going to be signing in with my Facebook account. I'm signing with my Facebook account. What it's going to do, it's going to revert me right to the page. So as you can see right here, over here on Quora, you don't want to just spam your links all over the place, because if you do that, you will be blocked and they're going to be taken away. They're going to just block you from answering questions. Now, Quora is a very good platform. You can find like affiliate marketing, digital products, all that kind of stuff, right? That you could do. Now, if we search, we could search for different things. So let's say if we go back over here, we can find a different product. Let's say we want to find a product in the computer or electronics or educational stuff, or it could be hardware. Could be hardware, right? So if you click on this, you'll see that they're going to find a lot of different things. Now, over here on Quora, it's a very good traffic source, but you probably won't find as much things if you look into the affiliate marketing space. So you want to type in, let's say, flowers, for example. And if you type in flowers, you will see a bunch of different things. Let's say if you want to type in dogs, right? Dog forums. If you type in dog forums, you will see that there's a bunch of different dog groups and things that you could follow. Like this one right here. There's 1.4 million, right? That you can find. Now, how we're going to do this, and we're going to do it the right way, right? This is a page that that is really cool. And this page right here, they have over 16,000 people. They're not as very active as they used to, but it's a great place for kids. So what I'm trying to explain to you is you can create a page starting from scratch and start posting. Now, where you're going to go get posting, where you're going to get pictures, right? One, you can go over to TikTok. You can get videos from TikTok. You can re-upload them onto your Instagram, or you can go to not Canva, but you want to go to Pixels. So go to Pixels. Oops. Pixels. There we go. Nope. Let's try this again. PEX. Pixels. So not Pixels. So you go over here and you can find royalty-free photos. Let's say you want to find stuff about baby, right? You can find all these pictures for babies, and you can upload them onto your Instagram account. So you can upload them onto your Instagram account just by getting pictures. And all you have to do, let's say this baby picture right here, you can click on it, and then right over here where it says download, you can click on this, and then you can select the original, and then you click on download. Once you do that, you can just upload it onto your Instagram, and you can follow a lot of people. Let's say you want to go to where it says babies, right? Let's say we want to go baby. If you type in baby, let me type in baby. All right, if I type in baby, you will see all these stuff, right? There's decor, but you want to follow a page, right? Let me see, baby. All right, there we go. So we got a baby page. So we click on this. All right, look at that. So what we're going to be doing, we're going to click on here. We're going to follow all these people once you start creating. So you're going to follow people, because once people start to see that your page is a baby page, guess what they're going to do? They're basically just going to go and sign up for what it is that you want to do. So if you click on the category, I will go where it says babies and kids. People love babies and kids, and you can find all these different coupons, right, that you can find with baby. Like right here, here's baby, 3%. You can click on this, you can grab your link, and you can put it into your description. Put it in your description up here, and people can click on it and start buying stuff. So that's a very good way of getting a lot of traffic, because if you follow a lot of people on Instagram, After you follow them, the next thing they're going to do, they're going to say, okay, well, I saw this baby page, just follow me. If you do that over and over again, you can't go wrong. So do that, go set it up, go advertise, and also here on Quora, if you want to do dogs and you want to do, even if you want to do dogs, just search for some dog stuff. Type in dogs, right? Once you type in dogs, you see all these different things, all these different brands that you can earn money. Pet shop, right? Earn all these money. So go out there and start getting paid free PayPal money in your PayPal. I'll talk to you and I'll see you in the next video. Peace.